How to change your TikTok region, country, location. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can change your TikTok country region. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, what you'll need to do is open up your TikTok. So locate your TikTok app and then open it up. After you open up your TikTok, go to the bottom right corner on your profile. After you're on your profile, you'll need to tap on three lines on the top right. So tap on the three lines. Now after you do that, you'll need to head over to settings and privacy. You'll find it at the bottom. After you're on settings and privacy, you will need to head over to your account. So tap on account, which is under the account section. Tap on it, and after you're on the account section, you will need to head over to your account information. So tap on the account information, which is at the top. Now here you'll find your phone number, your email address, and your account region. So simply tap on your account region. And after you're on your account region, what you can do is you can simply select any other region that you want. So let's say that I want to change it to the United States. Tap on United States or any other region that you want. And it can take some time, let it load. And if you get this, error, that means that you cannot do so because you have not yet been in that very region for 60 days. So yeah, this is a requirement. You will need to be in that very region for at least 60 days before you can update the region. So yeah, that is basically how you do it. If you are on that very region, you can just come right here, follow these steps, go to account region and change it. And that's how you do it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And again, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.